What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. The impact of late payments on your credit score and how to recover. Late payments can have a major negative impact on your credit score. Even one late payment can lower your score and make it harder for you to get approved for loans or credit cards in the future. In this blog, we'll explain the impact of late payments on your credit score and how to recover. Understand how late payments affect your credit score. Late payments are reported to the credit bureaus and can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. The longer the payment is overdue, the more it will impact your score. A 30-day late payment will have a lesser impact than a 90-day late payment. Check your credit report. If you think you may have missed a payment, check your credit report to confirm. You can request a free credit report once a year from each of the major credit bureaus. Look for any late payments and contact the creditor if you find any errors. Communicate with your creditors. If you're having trouble making a payment, reach out to your creditor as soon as possible. Many creditors will work with you to come up with a payment plan or even temporarily lower your interest rate. The earlier you communicate, the more likely they are to work with you. Set up automatic payments. One of the easiest ways to avoid late payments is to set up automatic payments. This will ensure that your payments are made on time, even if you forget. You can set up automatic payments through your bank or creditor. Pay off your balances. Late payments can be caused by high balances, so try to pay off as much as you can. This will not only improve your credit utilization but also prevent you from missing payments in the future. Be patient. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score, but it's not the end of the world. It will take time, but your score will recover as long as you make all your payments on time in the future. Consider credit counseling. If you're struggling to make payments on time and manage your debt, credit counseling can help. Credit counseling agencies can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a plan to get back on track. In conclusion, late payments can have a major negative impact on your credit score. It's important to understand the impact of late payments. Check your credit report, communicate with your creditors, set up automatic payments, pay off your balances, be patient, and consider credit counseling. By taking these steps, you can recover from late payments and improve your credit score over time. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.